Hey y'all. Okay, I have to be fast. My phone about to die. And I had all this stuff going on before I had got to do this video, but I have to do this video. Shout out to my girl Storm on TikTok. She put me on to the viral Domino's pizza. So you get Philly cheesesteak, bacon, and I'm gonna put it in there. I have to hurry up. But shout out to Storm. Make sure y'all follow my girl Storm on TikTok. So she usually do mainly like grocery hauls and stuff. But I love all of her content. My mom trying to wait patiently. She's waiting for her piece. Y'all know how fast pizza get cold. Oh, and me and Storm both agree that we don't do Domino's like that, but we wanted to try this pizza. Pizza Hut and Papa John's is where it's at. Definitely Papa John's. Yeah, I don't do Domino's at all because I don't like their pizza. But let's see. She gave this a 9, I believe, and she put banana peppers on the side. I didn't do all that, but this is how it looked. And I think I skipped some of the stuff that she did do, but let's see. It got the cheesesteak, Philly steak, and bacon. And y'all know, Philly is where I live. And I haven't had Domino's I don't know how long. Okay. It's good. Look. It has like a different flavor. Okay, girl. Okay, Domino's. Thanks, Storm, because I didn't know nothing about this. This is supposed to be a rival pizza. She's the only person that I've seen review it. And I would hit her tag. Fun fact. I don't eat crust. But this crust is like non-existent. This is good. I'm going to go with an 8. Maybe it would have been a 9 if I would have got the extra stuff that she got. The only thing I didn't get that she got is like the, I think it was like extra cheddar cheese or something like that. And that's because I got it from Uber Eats and they had this deal. Buy one, if you get something for $9 and over, the pizza is free. So I got this pizza free. I got some wings. But my total still came up to like $20 and something. But it was cheaper than doing it on the app. But if I would have added all the extra stuff, it would have been like $40. I wasn't going to do it. So maybe another time I'll try the other stuff. But thanks, Storm. Make sure y'all follow my girl. So I rated it 8. All right, y'all. Try it. And if y'all like Domino's, y'all really going to like this. Usually I'll give Domino's pizza about a 6 or 5. All right, y'all. Bye.